सो लेट्स स्टार्ट। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है विटामिन B1 और थायमीन। विटामिन B1 इज ऑल्सो नोन एज एंटी बेरीबेरी और एंटी न्यूराइटिक विटामिन। इट इज़ वाटर सोल्यूबल विच मीन्स हम इसे यूरिन में एक्सक्रीट कर सकते हैं एंड इट विल नॉट बी स्टोर्ड इन द बॉडी एंड वी रिक्वायर अ कंटिन्यूस इनटेक. It has a specific coenzyme known as thiamine pyrophosphate, which is mostly associated with carbohydrate metabolism. Let's move to the chemistry part. Thiamine is made up of one pyrimidine ring and one thiazole ring. Both are held together by a methylene bridge. Thiamine is the only natural compound with thiazole ring. The alcoholic group of thiamine is esterified with 2 moles of phosphate to form the coenzyme thiamine pyrophosphate. In this coenzyme, the pyrophosphate moiety is donated by the ATP, adenosine triphosphate, in which the enzyme TPP transferase or thiamine pyrophosphate transferase helps. The thiamine pyrophosphate and coenzyme is also known as co-carboxylase. Now coming to biochemical functions, the coenzyme TPP is intimately connected with energy releasing reactions in the carbohydrate metabolism. Now coming to the first function, the enzyme pyruvate dehydrogenase catalyzes the irreversible conversion of pyruvate to acetyl coenzyme A. This reaction is dependent on TPP. In this diagram also we can see that pyruvate dehydrogenase is catalyzing the conversion of pyruvate into acetyl coenzyme A, in which the TPP plays an important role. Now coming to the second function, alpha glutarate dehydrogenase, which is an enzyme of TCA cycle, it requires TPP. In this diagram also we can see we have alpha glutarate dehydrogenase, which is catalyzing the conversion of alpha glutarate into succinyl coenzyme A, and it requires TPP for its. Now coming to the third reaction, in the HMP shunt we have an enzyme known as transketolase, which also requires TPP for its function. It will help in the conversion of ribose 5-phosphate into glyceraldehyde 3-phosphate. Now coming to the fourth function, the branched chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase, even that requires TPP. It catalyzes the oxidative decarboxylation of branched chain amino acids like valine, leucine and isoleucine to the respective keto acids. Now the fifth function, the TPP plays an important role in the transmission of nerve impulse. TPP is required for acetylcholine synthesis and ion translocation of neural tissue. Now let's revise all the biochemical functions that we have studied. First one, pyruvate dehydrogenase requires it to catalyze the inconvertible conversion of pyruvate to acetyl-CoA. It requires TPP. Second, alpha ketoglutarate dehydrogenase requires it for its activity. Third, transketolase requires TPP for its activity. Fourth, the branched chain alpha ketoacid dehydrogenase requires TPP for the conversion of branched chain amino acid like valine, leucine, isoleucine to the respective keto acid. Fifth, TPP plays an important role in transmission of nerve impulse because it is required for acetylcholine synthesis. Now let's come to RDA. Daily requirement of thiamine depends on the intake of carbohydrate. For adults, it is 1 to 1.5 milligram per day. For children, 0.7 to 1.2 milligram per day. 0.5 milligram per 1000 calories is required. The requirement increases in pregnancy and lactation to 2 milligram per day, in old age and in alcoholism. Now coming to the dietary sources, cereals का outer layer होगा, pulses, oil seeds, nuts, yeast. During the polishing of rice, if we remove the outer layer, then 80% of the thiamine is lost. Among the animal sources, we have pork, liver, heart, kidney and milk. As we previously saw, the polishing of rice removes the 80% of the thiamine. So in case we boil the husk with paddy and then polish, then the thiamine is not lost. Since thymine is water soluble, it is extracted into the water, and such water shouldn't be discarded as it will contain our thymine. Now, deficiency symptoms. Deficiency of vitamin B1 leads to beriberi. It is mostly seen in populations consuming exclusively polished rice as staple food. Symptoms: loss of appetite, weakness, constipation, nausea, depression, peripheral neuropathy, irritability, numbness in the legs, and complaints of pins and needles sensation. Now, biochemical changes in B1 deficiency. First, carbohydrate metabolism is impaired because thymine has an important coenzyme TPP, which we previously saw helps in many energy releasing processes. Accumulation of pyruvate occurs in tissues, which is harmful, and pyruvate concentration in plasma is elevated, which is seen in the urine also as it is secreted out. In the normal condition, pyruvate doesn't enter blood-brain barrier, but in thymine deficiency, some alteration occurs and blood-brain barrier permits the entry to pyruvate. Now the pyruvate is entering into the brain. Its accumulation leads to disturbed metabolism, which may be responsible for polyneuritis. Now, thymine deficiency leads to impairment in nerve transmission due to lack of TPP, as TPP was required for the formation of acetylcholine. Transketolase activity in erythrocytes is decreased as TPP was required for transketolase reaction. Measurement of RBC transketolase activity is a reliable diagnostic test to assess the thymine deficiency. Now, in adults, we have two kinds of beriberi, wet and dry, while in infants, we see the infantile beriberi. First, we will discuss about adults, wet beriberi, also known as cardiovascular beriberi. Characteristics: edema of legs, face, trunk, serous cavities is seen. Breathlessness and palpitations. Calf muscles are slightly swollen. Blood pressure has two components, systolic and diastolic. Systolic increases, diastolic decreases. Fast and bouncing pulse is seen. Heart becomes weak and heart failure can lead to death. Now coming to dry beriberi, which is also known as neurological beriberi. It is associated with neurological manifestations resulting in peripheral neuritis. Itis means inflammation, so inflammation of peripheral neurons. Edema is not seen, while in wet beriberi, edema is seen. Muscles become weak and thus our walking becomes also difficult. The patient is usually bedridden. They need support to walk and they may die if not treated. What is mixed beriberi? So symptoms of beriberi are often mixed. The symptoms of dry and wet beriberi can get mixed, leading to mixed beriberi. Now the infantile beriberi. Infants born to mothers who are suffering from thymine deficiency. The breast milk from these mothers contains low thymine. Now the infantile beriberi is characterized by sleeplessness, restlessness, vomiting, convulsions, and bouts of screaming due to cardiac dilatation. Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. It is also known as cerebral beriberi, while dry beriberi was known as neurological beriberi. This cerebral beriberi is seen in chronic alcoholics because body demands of thymine increases in alcoholism, which we had also seen in RDA. Insufficient uptake and impaired intestinal absorption can lead to Wernicke-Korsakoff syndrome. It is characterized by loss of memory, apathy, and rhythmical to and fro movement of eyeballs. Now, thymine deficiency due to thyminase and pyrithyamine. Now, let's talk about thyminase. It is present in seafoods. So, अगर हम seafoods खाने वाले हैं, then it will destroy the thymine by cleavage action. Thymine will be destroyed from the middle, releasing pyrimidine ring and thiazole ring. सी फूड्स का कंजम्पशन जापान में काफ़ी ज़्यादा होता है. सो इंसिडेंस ऑफ बेरीबेरी इन सम पार्ट्स ऑफ जापान इज एट्रीब्यूटेड टू द कंजम्पशन ऑफ फिश विच कंटेन्स लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ थाइमिनेज. नाउ पायरीथायमीन, it is a structural analog and anti-metabolite of thymine. It is found in some plants like ferns. So horses and cattle who regularly consume ferns suffer from thiamine deficiency. It is due to overconsumption of ferns. Now, what are the antagonists of thiamine? Pyrithiamine, which is present in ferns, and oxythiamine.